It's an amazing all-in-one product because it conceals even the darkest circles, and it can also be used to highlight or contour. When I'm backstage or at an event, I know that Radiant Creamy Concealer will always work because we have 16 shades, so there's one for everyone. Radiant Creamy Concealer has medium coverage and a natural finish. It's easy to find your exact shade by swatching 3 and seeing which one fades in with your skin. So the second shade actually matches your skin and it's fading and disappearing, so that's the one that we're going to use. You can apply Radiant Creamy Concealer with the wand and then blend in lightly with your fingertip, starting with less and adding more as you go. Another way to apply this is with a concealer brush. This is so easy because it's a lightweight, creamy texture that helps to instantly conceal dark circles. It's also crease-proof, and as an added tip, you can add a little bit of loose powder to set the makeup. This is so easy and portable, you can take it with you anytime you're on the go. To highlight the skin, go 2 shades lighter than your concealer that matches your skin and use it in key points of the face to brighten. This brush will smooth the concealer on for a highlighting effect on the bridge of the nose, inner corner of the eye, and the outer corner of the eye. Contouring gives a beautiful sculpted effect. Follow the slope of your cheekbone, and where it goes in, this is where you're going to apply your darker shade for contouring. Go 2 shades darker than your matching concealer shade. Remember to always use the warmth of your fingers to blend out and avoid any hard lines.